as a physics teacher, what was the recent challenge?
Not just recent, it happens every single year. Mathematical abstractions of vectors.
We will
Demonstrate you a simple approach on how to deal with this. Join us. So, for this activity, you need a rigid and lightweight stick, a tube, and some students, minimum of 6. I'm going to ask you is that you divide in two groups facing each other while the stick is in between. What I want you as well is to place your fingers like this and then make a trail so that you had somebody's finger in between your fingers. The second thing which I will do, I will lower this big stick on your fingers. And what you will do a distribution of your fingers from one end of the stick to another end of the stick so that the distances between each of the fingers is more or less the same. It's called equidistant distribution. There are 3 rules. First rule, each of your index fingers have to be on the stick from bottom side, touching it, perpendicular and horizontal. Okay? So that means this, which is not this, which is not this, which is not this, this, this. Right? So only this. As soon as you move your finger away from the pole, that means that you're breaking the rule. Once when I lower the stick on your fingers, I will say, get ready, set, go, leave my arm, and then you have to work together to lower the stick down. And this is down, so you have to go down, not up.
Yeah.
I'm lowering down the stick, make a distribution among your fingers that it's more or less the same. Okay, place your fingers on the stick, and you have to lower it down. Get ready, set, and down is down, right? Go.
But how is this connected with vectors?
Let's have a closer look.